How to withdraw USDT from OKX. Hello friends, in this video you'll learn how you can withdraw USDT from OKX, so kindly watch till the end. The first step is to sign in into your OKX account, just like I have done here, and then once you're signed in, you'll be brought to your own page automatically. So on this page you can see the different rates, different USDTs as well as cryptocurrencies that is being displayed. And then by the lower part of the screen, you can see five icons, namely OKX, Discover, Trade, Grow, Access. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see a group of dots. Just click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to your profiles page. On this page, you have different tabs, name, shortcut, manage access, trade, etc. Just go ahead and click on move to the manage access page. And on this page, ensure you select withdraw. So after selecting withdraw, you'll be taken to the page where you'll be asked to choose your withdrawal method. Alright, now the reason why this is displaying verify your identity is because before you can withdraw for your OKX account, you have to ensure that you've carried out all of the verification processes. Okay, so to avoid hackers and fraud and all of that. So once you're taken to your page where you have to choose a withdrawal method, you must, if you prefer to withdraw on chain, ensure you select the USDT you want to withdraw, choose the on chain method, enter in the withdrawal details, follow the necessary prompts and procedures, and then from there your money would be taken or transferred into whichever account that you've entered in. So this is basically how to do it. Withdrawing USDT from OKX is very, very simple. But ensure to double check all details before confirming the transaction. Have a happy time trading. Thank you.